Okay, so we just received yesterday the VEVOR torque wrench. This is the 10 to 150 pounds model. Comes in a pretty nice case, protective case. It comes with a calibration certificate inside. And an instruction booklet. And if we take a look at the torque wrench itself, this is what you get. You get some adapters, an extender, and the wrench itself feels very solid, very weighty. And it's clearly marked. I don't know if you can see that. Where's the markings? Here we go. This is 4 pounds. And the other side. Overall, I've only used it one time today just to check the lug nuts on my wheels, and works fine. I think it's a worthwhile deal. Does the job. It's got a good price, so yeah, recommended.